How to use Canva to make money online. This is another part of the series. So today's tip is create a thank you card for teachers. It's just about time to do that. We all love to appreciate the work of the teachers they do and say them thank you. So you can create a digital thank you card. And how to do it? Create your card in Canva. Download it as a PDF for print in SMIC color or PNG. Then zip it, upload it to some virtual space such as Google Disk, and when you're posting or when you're giving this as a listing on Etsy, insert the link in your PDF. Parents would be happy. They can say their thank you to the teachers. They can download it, print it themselves, and give it to the teachers. Teachers niche is really good one. There's lots of things you can create for teachers, and we will talk about it in different videos. But this is tip for today, as there's the end of school is approaching. So thank you card, thank you digital card for teachers.